Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Stuff. In this video I am going to install TWRP and root my Laiko CoolPad Cool 1. So let's get started. Before we start the video, I want to ask you guys to subscribe my channel because the majority watch time which I get is from the people who have not subscribed. So please consider subscribing. So first thing first, go to settings, go to about phone, click on the build number 7 times and you will enter developer options. Go to the developer options and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. That's it for now. Now I will give you 3 links in the description box. Download all these files. The first one will be the QPST. The Google Drive link will be there, download it. The second will be the Android Qualcomm USB driver. If your Windows is 32-bit, download the one on the top, and if it's 64-bit, download the one which is on the bottom. In my case, it's 64-bit, so I'm downloading the one in the bottom. Click on the download button below and it will start automatically in the next screen. The third one will be the main TWRP recovery. This will be an Android file host website. I'll give the link in the description. Easily download it by clicking on the start download button. All the files which you will download will come up like this one. Extract all 3 files here. It will hardly take around 1 to 2 minutes to extract these files. Now let's install it one by one, starting with the Qualcomm USB driver. Just follow my steps as I have done in the video. You will easily install it. It will ask you to restart your device, but do it later. Now we move ahead to QPST. In the folder, search for QPST Setup Wizard and run it. Accept all the terms and conditions and install it anywhere in the computer. So this is also done now. Now this is a very important step. If you are running on Windows 8 or greater, then you have to open command prompt, run it as administrator. You need to disable the driver signature enforcement. This command will be in the description box below so that you can easily copy and paste it on your system. After this command has been done, you have to restart your computer and then you will see your Windows will start in test mode. After it's done, click on the TWRP file which you have extracted, select Mi Phone. This is a setup wizard for Mi Flash. Accept the general terms and conditions and start installing it as I have done in the video. It will ask you to install the driver. Don't worry, just install it anyway. It's almost done now. Click on finish. Now you need to power off your device. Connect it with a cable and press all the 3 buttons together, that is the volume up, volume down and the power button together until you see a red light blinking. After you see the red light blinking, go to C drive. Actually you have to go to the location where I have installed a Mi Flash. So in my case it's program files, Xiaomi, Mi Phone, and here it is, the Mi Flash. Now you have to click on browse and select the location of the TWRP which you have extracted in the very first step. In my case I have put it in E drive. So I'll search for that location, and on that TWRP file you have to open it and select TWRP folder and click on OK. If no port is shown up on your computer, press F5 to refresh it. You'll surely get the Qualcomm 9008 port. After that, when the port shows up, click on flash. If it does not start, you may click on flash again. It will hardly take around 30 seconds to complete the flash. Now disconnect your phone from the computer and press the volume up and power button together to enter the recovery menu. And here we go. That's the TWRP recovery based on Android 6 made by Quoco 92. If you want to root your device, then follow the steps in the video. If you don't want to root, then go back and finish the video. That's it. But if you want to root, then you have to follow these steps. It's very easy to root this device. It will hardly take around 1 to 2 minutes for the rooting process to be completed. I have not cut or forwarded the video at any moment. It's all done in real time. That's done. Reboot the system now. Now let's check if the phone is rooted or not. And here we go, we got the success status at the Root Checker app. So this was it guys. In this video I have explained you how you can install TWRP and root your device. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. This was TechStuff signing off.